Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're going to make my cinnamon sugar snickerdoodle cookies. I requested some and I get so excited when they ask for something that I can make. I usually double my recipe, but I will give you the single recipe right now. So okay, let's get started. So first of all, we are going to mix the dry ingredients. It's better that way. Okay, and I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, I'm just gonna put them in the bowl here like that. 3/4 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cream tartar, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Alright, so we're just gonna stir that up. Okay, so that's mixed. Okay, now we're going to mix the other ingredients. Alright, so I have here, I'm gonna need 3 eggs. And you're gonna put 2 whole eggs and 1 yolk first. Okay, so I already put my yolk in this tiny little bowl. So I'm gonna put 2 in here, and since I'm making double, I'm gonna put extra. And we're going to whip it just for a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add my butter, sitting in my counter for a little while, just to get it softened. So I have 1 cup. So you need 2 sticks of these. They're like 8 tablespoons each of 1 stick. So you need 2 of those. So it's equivalent of 1 cup. Okay? So I'm gonna put them here. Kids eat a lot of cookies. I'm telling you, Carl is going to miss all my cooking when he goes to college. Okay, so I have my egg and butter mixed together, and now I'm going to slowly put my dry ingredients through. Okay, slowly. Our dough is done. That was very quick and simple. Alright, I'm gonna take this out so we can start making our cookie now. Okay, so I'm using ice cream scoop, a small one. If not, you don't have a scoop, you just kind of get a small piece, and alright, that's what you're looking for. Don't make it too big, and then they get really big. Unless you want a big cookie, then you can make a big cookie. But I like to use this small scooper. I like the size of it. Now, and you need weight. And I mix half a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and mix that together. Okay, I already do have that. So I'm gonna put them in my dish here, just like that. Okay, so we're going to scoop one like that, roll them up, and then put them in right here, and you just roll it in the sugar, and like that. Okay, it smells so good, cinnamon and sugar. So we're going to fill our pan, do the process until we can fill all this in there. I preheated my oven in 350, and this is gonna go in there for 9 minutes, and then rotate your pan and bake it for another 4 more minutes. Alright, okay, so I fitted about 15 pieces all together like that. Alright, and then it's time to put them in the oven. Alright guys, so this is 9 minutes in the oven. Okay, so I took it out, and what I do is, because I like more cinnamon and sugar on top, I sprinkle them and then I'll put it back for another 4 more minutes. Okay, so take it out 9 minutes and you can sprinkle some more cinnamon and sugar if you want to. If not, just continue baking them for another 4 minutes. Okay, so our cinnamon sugar snickerdoodle is done. Here you go, guys. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple minutes on the baking sheet before I will transfer them into the cooling rack. Okay, I'll put them into 2 and I'm gonna show you. And they look like that. There you go. All right, so I'm going to taste it. This is so good. Nothing's beat a homemade cookie always. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.